Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make creamy honey mustard sauce. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, honey, and a splash of apple cider vinegar. For seasoning, grab some garlic powder, onion powder, and a pinch of salt and black pepper. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a delicious outcome. Now, let's get mixing. In a medium bowl, combine your mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, honey, and apple cider vinegar. Whisk these wet ingredients together until they are well blended and smooth. Next, add your garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. Continue whisking until all the spices are fully incorporated, creating a uniform and creamy consistency. Once your sauce is mixed, it's time for the most important step: tasting. Dip a spoon and see if it hits all the right notes for you. If you prefer it sweeter, add a little more honey. For a tangier kick, a bit more Dijon mustard will do the trick. Adjust until it's perfect. Transfer your finished sauce to an airtight container and refrigerate it for optimal freshness. Your homemade creamy honey mustard sauce is now ready to enjoy. This versatile condiment is fantastic with so many meals. Try it as a dipping sauce for chicken tenders, a spread on sandwiches, or even as a dressing for your favorite salad. It also makes a great accompaniment for soft pretzels or roasted vegetables. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.